Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and possibly learned something. I look forward to any comments or questions below that I may be able to help you with, or if you have any suggestions as to what you would like to see in my forthcoming videos. If you have enjoyed this video, then please click the like button and the little bell icon to be notified of my latest video releases. It would also support me greatly if you could subscribe to my channel, please, by clicking on the subscribe button. If you want to view some of the paintings I currently have for sale, then please click the link below. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and happy painting!